is going on, you guys? How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. Today we are doing a video with a super sick Porsche. What's cool about this one is this is actually a Porsche GTS with a GT4 carbon kit, which is so sick. So check this out. He's got all the forged carbon on there. That is so cool. Got the GT4 lip, the hood, the wing. That is so sick. Now the owner was already in the car. He was ready to go. He's ready to fire it up, but just wanted to show you guys the car before we got the sound of the exhaust started. So we'll get more info of the car from Cory when we hop in and go for a ride. So, all right, Cory, go for it. You can hear the turbo. Alright guys, so this is Cory, and if you guys aren't following Cory, which I actually am not because he had to make a new Instagram, so I gotta go follow him, but his Instagram is carbon.porsche. So obviously you guys can hear the exhaust. So Cory, talk about your Porsche, man. What is it? How long have you had it, and what's done to it?
It's 2018 GTS, and I'm not a poser. It is a GT4 kit, but the GT4 on the front is because it's a factory front bumper, and they don't make one that doesn't say GT4. So I either got to modify it, or I just like to be upfront and honest with people. I bought it because I wanted a turbo car, and the GT4 is not turbo. I fully built the engine, internals, top and bottom, so, and big turbo.
Yeah, the turbo, you got. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the turbo whistle is just insane. Woo. I'm pretty sure you guys heard the turbo when he started it up, but Cory also had an Audi R8. I think that was a second gen or third gen R8?
It was first gen.
First gen, okay, so he had a first gen R8.
It was the facelift model.
And it was a facelift model, and unfortunately I don't think I ever did a video of that, did I?
I think we got a few clips driving into places, but
yeah, I didn't actually.
Before we got to.
Yeah, I was gonna do a video of it, but he ended up selling it because he was really wanting to get into the Porsche. So we didn't end up getting a video in time before he sold it. So unfortunate, but hey, you know what? That's all good. I'll have more opportunities in the future to do more videos with the R8s, I'm sure. But yeah, I connected with Cory. I saw that he had got this Porsche, and actually a fun fact too is when he bought this Porsche, it was painted a purple color, isn't that right? And then you painted?
No, that was my 911.
Oh, that was a 911, okay. So this car is stock paint, or did you paint this color?
Stock.
Okay, stock, okay.
Yeah, my 911 was black, and I painted it the midnight purple.
That's right. Okay, for some reason I thought it was this car, but yeah, that color was so sick. I'll have to see if he can send me a photo, and I'll throw it up on the video for you guys, but that color was just so cool. Yeah, we also have Craig in his GT3 following us, so he can do some flybys as well. Which, if you guys aren't aware of, I did a video with Craig's Porsche. If you guys aren't aware of that, I'll link the video for that in the description or in the comments for you guys, so you guys can go check it out. But that was really fun to do. So off camera, Cory was telling me that he had his whole engine built. So what exactly did you have it? What did you have done to it?
Lighter weight rods and pistons, which are stronger as well, just to hold a little more power, because these cars are only 3-something horsepower from the factory, so they're kind of underpowered, well, for me anyways. And so now I'm up around 550-ish to the wheels.
Damn.
Which is fun for how small the car is. Obviously there's a lot of other cars out there that would smoke me, but it just makes it fun to drive. Plus it's a Porsche, they handle like crazy, so.
Yeah, and if you guys, like I was mentioning, if you saw Craig's video where I got to drive his Porsche, I actually got to drive his GT3 RS and experience the handling and everything like that. It was just absolutely crazy, and I think that's by far the craziest car that so far that I got to have on my channel, that I got to actually experience driving and everything. So yeah, it's insane how incredible that these German engineering is with these cars. It's so cool. All right, he's gonna get on it a little bit. That damn truck got right in front of us. feels a lot different than Craig's GT3 because this one has more power. I think Craig said his is like 470 or something like that. Yours is 500? 550.
Between 80 and 100 horsepower difference.
Yeah, it feels like this car just wants to just go and go. I mean, Craig says too, but obviously this car has more power, so it feels like it just wants to go a little more, but... Whoa! Mexico. We are not doing this in the USA, right, Cory?
Short drive to Mexico.
Yeah, it took like 30 minutes. That was quick. That's awesome. I was going to mention too your carbon steering wheel. If you guys haven't noticed that, look at that. It's probably kind of hard to see with the sun shining on the lens. But who did your steering wheel, or where did you get it?
I forget the guy that did it. I met him off Instagram on my old channel. So
okay.
I kind of lost him, and he built this plate for me too. The forged carbon center console.
Yeah, that is. Oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh yeah, you guys can see the forged carbon center console too. There's a bunch of forged carbon on this car. What made you do forged carbon instead of regular carbon?
Just trying to be different.
Okay.
I see, because you see basic carbon everywhere, which
right.
still looks amazing. Obviously, that's why everybody does it. But I just wanted to switch it up.
Yeah.
The only comment I hate is some people are like, "Oh, why is your hood dirty?" I was like, "Go look at it. It's forged carbon." But I get it. It does look like dirt or leaves on it. So
that's so funny.
Acquired taste.
Yeah. So where did you find the GT4 kit at?
There's a couple companies in Arizona that make them. They do come with a hefty price tag and about 6 months of waiting, but I got mine in about 5 months.
Oh, there you go.
So, which is also the reason why I didn't go with the GT4. Because I'm into it probably more than GT4 costs, but I like to customize my stuff. And I had a budget in mind, so.
And how many people do the GT4 conversion kits on these cars? Is they pretty common or not very common?
I would say it's less common than the GT3 conversion. A lot of people just buy it to use for a track car.
Okay.
Because even the lower end models, like the S or even just the base 718, it's still fun on the track, kind of like a Miata. So there's like a cult following.
Right.
The Boxsters, the 718 Caymans, just fun track cars.
Alrighty, you guys, that is gonna do it for the video. Again, thanks to Cory for giving me that experience. I'll show you guys his GTS one more time. That rear diffuser looks so insane. Cory, thank you very much, my brother. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Anything you want to say to the audience, like any words of advice for future references or anything that you want to give them?
Run up my Instagram, trying to get the followers back.
Yeah, there you go. Go check out his Instagram. It's carbon.porsche. Carbon.porsche. I'll throw up the screenshot for you guys. So anyways, with that being said, again, Cory, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Look forward to doing more content with you in the future. So make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So peace.